Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a logo using Midjourney. Now Midjourney is an AI which creates image, and whichever text or however like you explain something on the text, it will create an image out of it. So the better you explain, the better the picture will come out. And I will show you guys how you guys can create a logo. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, hit that subscribe button and let's move on. So let's say I want to create a logo for a t-shirt company, which means basically a company that sells t-shirt. What I can do is go on the Midjourney server, and if you guys have added Midjourney on your personal server, you can do this on your personal server. I have made a video on how you guys can add Midjourney to your server. You can watch the video if you do not know that. And if you have added your Midjourney to your server, just open up your server and give this command, just /imagine. Imagine. You can see this over here. Click on it. Now describe the type of logo you want. So I want to make a red logo for a company that makes t-shirts. So I'm going to say the type of logo I want. I want a circle type with a red color, and for a company that makes t-shirts. So I'm going to click on enter and it will start generating it. So let's wait for some time until it generates, because it depends on like how many people are using Midjourney right now. So it's creating it. It's going to take a bit of time. Let's wait now. So as you guys can see, this is the logo it made. Now this isn't a really nice logo. Now because I did not explain the type of logo I wanted nicely, this is the type of logo it created. It's a circle logo with red color. Of course that's what I wrote over here, so I had to explain it in a more clear way. So you have to explain it like, let's say you wanted a basketball in the middle, you can write circle logo with red color and a basketball in the middle with a person's eye in the left. So the better you explain, the better the logo comes out. So how you explain it to Midjourney, that's how the logo will come out. But that's the basics on how to create logo using Midjourney. Now you can use your own creativity to create any type of logo you want. So that's it for today's video everybody. Subscribe to our channel TechTube. I will see you guys next time.